Hey guys, it's Scott, Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, Certified Dryer Exhaust Technician here in Indianapolis, 317-430-3993. Out on a home inspection. I have three right here in this area this morning, but wanted to show you this one. I've already popped the roof vent, but it's again one of those that you've seen before. It ain't the first time you've seen it on my video. It's one of those enclosed vents, as you can see all the way through. But then as you lift it up, there's all your lint, and then there's no place for this lint to go, and that's why this dryer is having problems. Customer reports that the clothes just aren't drying. Look at all the buildup inside there. And then when I show you the pipe, there's really nothing in the pipe. The pipe looks really good, and that's because it's all right there and had nowhere to go. So what we're going to do is we are going to modify this and put an actual roof vent so it vents out like it should. And we're going to clean the vent out. But I wanted to show you this one because, again, it's the classic sign of I could clean this and leave, but it's not going to resolve the problem. So I explained it to the customer, and we're going to fix the problem for good. That way it helps them in the long run. Again, this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, Certified Dryer Exhaust Technician. Do you know what's inside your vent? If you don't, call me. I'll show you.